Hey there, wellness warriors! Welcome to Nutrizlab, your go-to hub for everything health, beauty, and total body transformation. If you're someone who wants to look great, feel amazing, and live your best life, you're in the right place. At Nutrizlab, we believe health is the new wealth. We're on a mission to simplify science-backed wellness so you can make smart, confident decisions about your health and beauty journey. From glowing skin routines and weight loss hacks to the best supplements for women and men, we review it all. Honestly, clearly, and without the hype. Because when you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. So what can you expect here? Let me break it down. In-depth reviews of top trending supplements. The truth about weight loss programs, skincare routines that actually work, wellness tips tailored for women's and men's health, and raw, real health transformation journeys, just like yours. No fluff, no filters, just real info that gets results. If you've ever wasted money on useless products, struggled with your skin, weight, or hormones, felt overwhelmed by conflicting health advice, then hit that subscribe button right now, because Nutrizlab is the channel that cuts through the noise to help you thrive. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and share this channel with someone who deserves to feel amazing too. Welcome to Nutrizlab, where your healthiest, most confident self begins. Let's glow up together. I'll see you in the next video.